We'll guide you through how to insert an image in HTML using Notepad. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Now we're handing over to Pauser, who's going to continue with the guide.
Before we begin, if you already have HTML file where you want to add an image, simply open that file in Notepad and follow along. For this example, I already have a HTML page created, so I'm just gonna go ahead and show you. So inside documents, I have add image folder created. So I'm just gonna go ahead and show you the HTML file where I want to add the image. So I'm just gonna go ahead and open it. And here you can see there is the image. So let's say I want to add image in this particular HTML. So the first thing that you need to do is right click on it and choose to open with Notepad. And once that it is opened in Notepad, one important thing to remember is that the image that you want to display should be stored in the same folder as your HTML file. This allows HTML to find the image using just the file name. For example, if my document is stored inside add image folder, your image should also be inside this folder. So navigate to the folder where you had the image that you want to add. So let's say I want to add this particular image. So I'll just select and right click on it and choose to copy and then go inside the folder. And now here, just go ahead and press Ctrl V to paste it. And now you will see it has been successfully pasted. Now back in your Notepad. So now to add an image, you will see heading, right? So if you want to add the image between the heading and the paragraph, just go between the heading and the paragraph by just hitting enter once. And now here, just go ahead and type the following command. Just go ahead and type angular bracket and now type img space src equals and double quotation and type the name of the image exactly. So just go to File Explorer and just select your image and press Alt and Enter key to open the details. And now here you can see the type of the file is JPEG and the name is Rob. So basically just go to your Notepad and type your image name, which is Rob and .jpg. And after that, you can just close the angular bracket. And now you can also add Alt. Just go ahead and type Alt equals double quotation. And for alt value, you can enter any description that matches your image. So I'm just gonna go ahead and type GuideRealm. After that, just go ahead and close the double quotation. Now just go ahead and press Ctrl and S key on your keyboard to save the file. And now let's go ahead and preview it. I'm just gonna go ahead and open the File Explorer and just double click on the index file to open it. And now you can see the image has been successfully added to the page. Because we placed the image below the heading, the image appears directly underneath it and above the paragraph.